All right, today I have a Ford Bronco, and I'm going to show you where to add engine oil and where the check to check engine oil dipstick is located in this particular Ford Bronco. Your car needs oil to function, okay? You need it, all right? So, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so with that said, I have the hood open, and you're gonna walk in with the hood open, and you'll see down here, there's a lot of things going on. Do you see that yellow stick right there? That is the oil dipstick for checking oil right there, that yellow one right there. And you pull it out and you check it. Read your owner's manual so you know how to do that. And then this, underneath this cap, that is where engine oil goes. And for this particular Ford Bronco, it is SAE 5W30 that goes into this engine right here underneath that cap. So that's the engine right there, and that is where, this is where the check engine oil underneath with that yellow dipstick, and this right here is where oil is added in the Ford Bronco, this particular edition, SAE 5W30. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.